welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a cozy and delicious dish with walnuts and juicy meatballs. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First, we prepare the walnuts. You can crush them by hand, use a meat grinder or a blender. Just break them into pieces so they stay a bit chunky, not completely smooth. Next, add enough water to just cover the walnuts. Then stir gently and let it cook so the flavors develop nicely. Grate the onion and add it to the ground beef. Mix them together gently so the meat is flavorful and ready for shaping into meatballs. Add salt, turmeric, and black pepper to the meat. Then mix everything really well so the flavors come together and the meat holds nicely for shaping. Once the meat is well mixed and sticky, shape it into small meatballs. Shape all the meat into meatballs. Then lightly fry them in a little oil. Cover and let them cook gently so they're tender and full of flavor. If your meatballs aren't fully cooked yet, just cover the pot and let them simmer until the water reduces and they're perfectly tender and ready to serve. Once your meatballs are ready, take a moment to check the walnuts. Make sure they're fully cooked and tender before adding the final touches. Once the walnuts are fully cooked, add 3 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses to the stew for that rich, tangy flavor. If you like a slightly sweeter stew, you can optionally add some sugar. Then give it a taste and enjoy. Let the pomegranate molasses cook gently with the walnuts so the stew thickens and all the flavor comes together beautifully. Now that our stew base is ready, add the meatballs and let them simmer together for about 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to blend and the meatballs to cook perfectly in the walnut pomegranate sauce. Our Persian pomegranate walnut meatball stew is ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video. Comment what recipe you'd love next. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.